In this video, we will learn how to multiply polynomials using the FOIL method. F-O-I-L. F means the first terms. So these two will multiply together, 2x times 3x. The next term we have is outer terms, 2x and these two. So we have 2x times 2, okay, and there is a plus in there. Then we have inner terms. Inner terms is -1 and 3x. So we write -1 times 3x. And the last term is these two, -1 and +2. So -1 times 2. Now we will simply solve them. 2 times 3, that is 6. X times x square, plus 2 times 2 and 4. Then we have negative sign. 1 times 3, that's simply 3x. Negative sign. 1 times 2, that is simply 2. Now we will simplify them. We have 6x squared. These two are same like terms. 4x minus x, we get plus x minus 2. This is how we solve multiplication polynomials using the FOIL. Okay, let's try another problem. We have this one right here. So first terms are what? 3a and 4a. So 3a times 4a. Then we have a outer term, 3a times -b. Okay, so this is plus 3a times -b. You can place the negative sign before also if you want to, but to reduce confusion, I always put plus over here if the second term is negative. Okay, so the next term is inner terms. What are the inner? 2b and 4a. So plus 2b 4a, and the last terms are 2b and -b, plus 2b times b. Okay, that's like this. Okay, so for this we get 3 times 4, that is 12. A times a, that is a squared, plus, but this time it will be a negative sign, and we get 3ab. This will be plus 2 times 4, that's 8ab, and the last one is simply minus 2b squared. And now we will simplify them. We have 12a squared plus 5ab, because 8 minus 3 is 5ab minus 2b squared. Remember, they're like terms, that's why they can simplify it further, not this one or this one. Okay, let's take a look at our third example, and I will explain you a little differently. FOIL is nothing but they are trying to say this first term over here will multiply with this and this, and then one will multiply with this and this. That is the simplest way. If you can remember this, that is fine, but just remember the first term over here and the first part will multiply with this and this, and the second opportunity will be for this one will go with this and this. That is how we multiply. So 5x will multiply with x and -2. 5x times x plus 5x times -2. That is also one way to do it. Or the last one is 1 times x plus 1 times -2. Now we will simplify them. This is 5x squared. This second term is -10x. This one is simply plus x, and the last one is -2. And now we can solve them. This is the only one we can simplify it. So we have 5x squared minus 9x minus 2. Okay, so this is our answer for this one. So try yourself the last one using the FOIL method. FOIL is nothing but multiply this one with this and this, and then 2y will multiply with 5x and 3z. This is z. So pause the video and try it yourself, and then play the video to see the answer. Okay, so I hope you tried the question number 4. So we have 3x times 5x, then we have plus 3x times minus 3z, and the last one plus 2y times 5x and plus 2y times negative 3z. I'll write like this. Okay, so now we get this 15x squared. The second one is a negative term, so 3 times 3 is 9 xz, and the third one is 10xy, 2 times 5 is 10 xy, and the last one is negative 2 times 3 is 6 yz. Let's see if we can simplify it. This is x squared, we don't have any x squared. This is yz, we don't have yz. This is xz, and this is xy, and this is our answer for this one. Not necessarily every question will be simplified further. They can give you a trick question to test your knowledge. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.